like what I've said, same the direction. The direction is the same. You will expect me as to support the governor of Negros Oriental, si Governor Chaco. At the same time, I will be empowering also other mayors for the request. And also, sa akong gingon ninyo, murag partially nasulti na ni Governor Chaco na I will be yung sa ako ang Vice Chair on Committee on Peace and Order. Like what I've said, it's seryoso na to ang droga dito sa community. Pinakagamay nga pusher at pinakadako nga pusher. Not only pusher, will go after the user also. And we will, muhangyo ko sa binikanan sa mga inyong mga anak na nasa droga, mo-assume na raba ko sa Lunis. And then I will be, with the guidance of Governor Chaco, with the approval of the Governor, I will be meeting with the head of the NBI, head of CIDG, and the provincial director. I'll be makikistorya ko nila. Unya, mo-coordinate ko sa local intelligence community. And then, sa first week, sigurado ko, walay mo undang. Bahalag 36 hours may magdakop ka na. Muna akong gay pasalig din. This is a very risky job. But kung it's out of my job as legislator, but moving akong hangyo ni Governor Chaco, let me be the member as Vice Chairman of the Peace and Order. And then it is also stated in the local government code as the duties of the Vice Governor, of the Office of the Vice Governor, stated that they should be in control ang atong lawlessness, in control ang atong peace and order, also the drugs also dapat i-control sila sa local government code. But ako rang palabuan ka ang atong trabaho, ato pang buso pa sa kalakang. So, seryoso ni Roy, wako gabinuang. Basta musulti ko, makikoordinate lang ko because there is a mga agency, but there may task force, ang task force Octopus, but dili na ko apil atong mga sand and gravel. Ato focus na ko sa criminality. I'll be focusing on the criminality.
What will happen?